Two leading platforms for managing customer relationships and support. One big question: which one truly goes the distance? On the left, HubSpot CRM, the all-in-one CRM and service powerhouse. On the right, Jira Service Management, the robust ITSM platform built for seamless service delivery. Let's skip the sales talk and dive into what really matters. We'll score each category, so by the end, you'll have a clear winner for your business needs. The outcome in 2025 might just surprise you. Check it out. Here's the game plan. We're tackling 6 categories: pricing, feature depth, integrations and ecosystem, ease of use, analytics and reporting, and security and compliance. If you want to get the whole picture, these are the touch points. Let's kick things off with pricing, because nobody wants a bill that feels like a prank. HubSpot CRM, you get a free tier to start things off, which honestly is kind of amazing if you're just testing things out. Paid plans are straightforward, around $15 per seat monthly, and they scale with more features. But heads up, as you ramp up, the costs creep up. And some fancy stuff will require upgrades. Now, Jira Service Management, on the other hand, tiered options, discounts if you're cool with annual billing, and a bit more flexibility. But, and I gotta warn you, no free tier. So if you're used to trying before you buy, that's out. Plus, some pricey add-ons if you want all of the shiny tools. So, for pure wallet friendliness, HubSpot kind of takes the crown here. All right, let's talk feature depth. HubSpot's got your basics covered: omni-channel comms, unified inbox, easy satisfaction surveys, and some SLA management. But if you're getting real geeky about incidents or heavy IT stuff, honestly, it gets a little thin. You'll notice the customization for IT workflows isn't all that. But then, Jira Service Management steps in with the full ITSM suite. I'm talking incident, problem, change, request management. The works. You can go wild with workflows, serious SLAs, integrate your assets, and even knowledge management is baked right in. The catch? Yeah, setup can make you sweat, especially if you're not super technical at heart. Still, for pure depth, Jira totally owns this round. Next up, integrations and ecosystem. If you're using HubSpot CRM, the big win is how smoothly it connects with sales and marketing. Like, tickets actually link back to your CRM records, which is so helpful for customer teams. There's even an apps marketplace, but if you want deep nerd-level IT integrations, it's a bit limited. Now, Jira Service Management is all in on integrations, especially if you're already living in the Atlassian world. Think Confluence, Jira Software. Massive range of third-party IT links, so your ecosystem is basically supercharged. Though it works best for folks who are already in the Atlassian zone. So going by pure integration muscle, Jira takes this one too. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. HubSpot was actually born out of inbound marketing vibes, while Jira started as a bug tracker for software dev teams. These two have very different DNA behind the scenes. Kind of wild, right? On to ease of use, one of my favorite things to stress test, honestly. HubSpot CRM nails this with a super intuitive UI. You can set things up fast, even if you're not an expert, which lets you hit the ground running. It's built for regular folks. Plus, onboarding is like a breeze, but some users do report tiny lags here and there. Now, Jira Service Management, it's got serious admin controls and flexible automations. But, and I've got to say it, there's a learning curve. Complex workflows mean you might spend your first week just trying to not break stuff. So, if simple and friendly is your jam, HubSpot definitely wins this part. Analytics and reporting. HubSpot comes in hot with solid service analytics and lets you track customer happiness from the start. But yeah, don't expect super deep ITSM metrics. Jira Service Management is stacked with reporting, KPIs, SLA breaches, whatever you want. So if you love fiddling with data, it delivers. But some of those advanced analytics definitely need someone who knows their way around. Both bring strong tools, but kind of balance each other out. So I'd call this one a tie. You win whether you're basic or a full-on numbers nerd. Last stop, security and compliance. HubSpot CRM gives you two-factor auth, SSL, single sign-on, the industry standard stuff. But those deep IT-specific certifications are, kind of missing. With Jira Service Management, you get enterprise-grade security, role-based access, single sign-on, the works. But compliance could need a little more configuration. So solid security from both, but each with its quirks. Honestly, this round's a tie. All right, so you can totally see on the radar chart, HubSpot CRM scores big on pricing and ease of use, But Jira Service Management kind of sweeps the board with feature depth and integrations. Analytics and security, though, they're neck and neck. So, if you want your CRM and customer support tied together, especially for sales-driven teams, HubSpot's probably your best bet. But if deep ITSM, customizable workflows, and serious service ops matter to you, Jira Service Management is the heavyweight. HubSpot's for sales hustlers, Jira's for IT wizards and ops teams. If you're out here comparing business tools, bookmark this guide. Seriously, it'll save you headaches later. And stay tuned. Lots more juicy reviews dropping soon. Don't miss out.